Alright, so got a new pickup, two new pickups. As you can see, the box already open, cause why? My daughter. Alright, what up YouTube? Alright, so got it from City Gear. And as you can tell, two Lebrons. Alright, check them out. Got the lows. Was waiting for them for about maybe 4 days. Alright, you got the fluoride one. Lows. Woo, man. Look at that. Alright, that's the first pair. And we got the second pair. And let's see what kind this is. Woo! The gunk ones. I'm telling you, these shoes in hand, Paul, one of the dopest. Damn. This doesn't have the glitter like how the fluoride has it, or the shine. But still dope. We got the mesh, upper AirPods all the way around, 91. Oh, that's basically it. What y'all think? Let me know. Pretty much a steal, man. I came up on top on both of these. Yeah. Alright. Let me know if you guys want an offbeat or anything. We'll see what's up. Alright, late.